Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can deploy your React.js project into Cloudflare Pages for free. So first of all, we have to actually create an account inside Cloudflare. So let's go for the browser, okay, and go for the Cloudflare. So Cloudflare, okay, hit enter, and there should be a Cloudflare official page. You can see cloudflare.com. Go here. Now start building for free. Click here, or maybe you can go for the register. Okay, if you have if you don't have any account, I already have the account, so I'll choose log in here. Okay guys, so this is our account, you can see, and we are in the home page. From here we have to actually go for this build option. You can see build, and here we're going to click compile, and then we're going to go for the worker and pages, and we're going to click here worker and pages, and there you can see, I have deployed a bunch of different projects here. So you can actually delete what you have deployed here, okay, but let's just go with the new application. So we'll click here create application from here, and here you can see we have here different option. We can upload our project to the GitHub, or then we can actually continue with the GitHub, okay, but here we're going to upload our static file. Here click here upload your static file, and here we're going to upload our project. So I have a project here. Let me show you. In the downloads we have the project real estate site. So I'm going to actually unzip it at first. Here we go. Now here I will go inside the project. So what you have to do, we have to actually go inside the project here, okay, go inside the project, and then here we have to open command prompt. So click here in the address bar and type cmd, hit enter. Then command prompt will be open here, and here you have to say npm space install, hit enter. Then npm will install here, and after that you have to run another command, and that is npm run build. Now we have to actually run here one more command, and that is npm run build. Now we have to hit enter, and here we'll get a folder here within short time. You can see done. Now if we go back here in the project, you can see that we have here a dist folder. Now from our end we have to actually upload this folder only, okay, dist, okay. So we are going to upload this dist folder. So we'll go inside of it, and we're going to upload these two things, okay, index and assets. Let's go back here, and here we're going to click here, or maybe we can actually drag and drop it here. Now we are going to select them, okay, and here we are going to drag and drop them, okay. So drag and drop them here, and you can see we have here index.html, and in the assets we have other files, and here you can see done. So we can actually click here deploy now, and here you can see all files were successfully uploaded, and our project is also deployed. We can see it, and here you can see one domain added here. Now this is the URL we have to actually check. So we are going to copy this URL, copy link address. We are going to go for a new incognito window, okay, so that we can check if it is actually added or not. Our project is live or not. We have to check it, okay. So let's check this, and here this is the site. You can see it's a real estate site, and okay, and it's fully functional. You can see it's a React site. So guys, I have shown you how you can actually host or deploy your React app, React project with Cloudflare Pages. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.